Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be learning about fractions. So fractions represent a part of a whole, and we can see that in these examples. So for the first example, we have a circle divided into two equal parts. And if you were to represent one of the parts that were shaded, if you were to represent the shaded parts, then it would be 1 over 2, because there's one shaded part of two total parts. So this represents 1/2. And for the second example, we have one shaded part out of three parts, and that would be 1/3. And that's basically the case for the rest of these fractions. Like for example, here we have 4 equal parts and 1 is shaded, so the fraction would be 1/4. And for this we have 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's one shaded part, so the fraction represented is 1/5. For this fraction we have 6 equal parts, and there's one part shaded out of all, so 1/6 of the entire model is shaded, so this represents 1/6. For the next example, we have 7 parts, and there's one part that is shaded, so the fraction represented is 1/7. Here we have 8 equal parts, and we have one shaded part out of all of that, so the fraction represented here is 1/8. For this, we have 9 equal parts, and there's one part that's shaded out of all the 9 parts, so this represents 1/9. For this fraction, we have 10 equal parts, and there's one part that's shaded in total, so this fraction is 1/10. And here we have 11 equal parts, and there's one part that's shaded, so this is 1/11. And for the last example, we have 12 equal parts, and there's one part that is shaded, so this represents 1/12. And you can basically use that for any sort of fraction model that you need to find. You just have to see the number of parts that are shaded, and you have to see how many total parts there are, and you have to make sure that all the parts are equal. Alright everyone, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!